welcome back to the channel. I'm standing outside near my pine trees that have been eaten up by the deer. In the past year, we had a horrible winter, and the deer had a hard time foraging for food, so they ate the bottom of all my pine trees, as you can see behind me there. And this little saw that I received makes quick work of trimming these lower branches. But I have to show you something else. This came in the mail. We're gonna get this out of the box and show you what it comes with and compare it to the 4-inch. This is the 6-inch mini electric chainsaw. So the first thing I noticed about the 6-inch saw is that it does come in its own case. And the 4-inch just comes in a cardboard box, which still could be useful to contain it, but I like the idea of having something that has a handle on it and it closes with latches. Let's see what's all in the box. There we go. So we have 2 batteries. We have the chainsaw that has the new design on the blade. It's a black and blue blade compared to the other saw that was just a gray. There we go. There's the 4-inch saw. And this one also comes with 2 chains, a pair of gloves. You have your instructions here, and you have some oil, but you will eventually have to buy some more bar and chain oil. It comes with the screwdriver, the charger, and this wrench. So these are all things that came with the other 4-inch chainsaw. Comes with a 20-volt battery, and of course you get 2 of those. I do love the new design. Just makes it a little bit more flashy. All right, before we get started, we're going to add some oil to the blade. And there they are side by side. So you can see the 6-inch, although it's only 2 inches, it does look significantly bigger. Let's turn this around. There we are. I have used the 4-inch quite a bit so far, and it has made quick work of clearing out trees that I have. On my 80 acres, I have roads that go through, and the trees are starting to encroach on the road, and that is not good for my truck, and I carry this along with me, and it makes clearing a breeze. For someone like me, I was afraid of using a chainsaw, but these things are the perfect thing for me to get started, to become comfortable using a chainsaw. There's less noise. I don't have to deal with the fuel. Just have to worry about the battery being charged, but that's a quick thing for me to be able to do. So now that they're assembled, I think we're gonna tackle this tree here right behind Bo. I like how I can crawl in here and get very close to the trunk of the tree and make a close cut. That is something I wasn't able to do when I was doing it by hand. This branch here, it's getting a little bit big for me for using the small saw. I like to see the blade go on both sides of the branch, just for my own comfort. It probably is a 4-inch branch. I'm gonna get the big saw out. You gotta go, girl. You don't wanna be here when this comes down. This one is huge. Well, let's see what I can do here. This is all dead branch though. Guys in for a closer look at that one. That one didn't come down so fast, but that was a lot of work for a little saw. I think this is probably the maximum that I would feel comfortable cutting down with this saw. And it was awkward angle. That's pretty much maximizing the width Yeah, I don't think I'd want to go any larger than that. That's going to fall with this one. Gravity's starting to take it, so I backed off because I don't want to pinch my blade. Just let it open up a bit. This branch is huge, and there is a lot of green on it, but I kind of want to get rid of this. I just noticed that there's a nest in this tree. That's huge. Although this is split apart here, this is not over the recommended 6 inch. I can tell by putting the blade up to the tree there. But I am so happy with this 6-inch. The mini chainsaw, the 4-inch, is great if you have things around your yard, if you have a smaller yard and you just want to clear some branches up. Definitely when you have bigger trees like this that you need to remove limbs from, I would recommend getting the 6-inch. The 4-inch is going to limit itself in size, and with this you can cut the smaller ones and you can cut the bigger ones. And like I showed you in the beginning, the other thing that I like about this is that it does come in the case, so you can store everything and you'll never forget where you put the charger or where the extra chains are, because it's all contained in one carrying case. So if you have a lot of acres like I do, I would recommend getting the 6-inch. But again, if you only have smaller things to do, the 4-inch works just as well. These are great tools, and I just want to say thank you to Saker for sending them out to me and letting me review them. This is one tool that is going to be used a lot on my 80 acres. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Now let's hope that recorded. I'm just going to bring you guys closer to show you this massive limb. And yeah, there was a lot of green on it, but I wanted to get as many diseased limbs as I could. There it is. That was pretty much the length of the blade, and it worked well. And if I look up, right there, somebody built a nest. There we go. I'm just gonna hold the camera because my gimbal's not working. I just want to show you, I did the tree right next to the first one that I tackled. I don't even think I spent 20 minutes on this one. And I did use a 6-inch saw because I think my battery finally needs charging on my 4-inch. But I'm gonna have to come back. If you see that big branch there, it had already fallen off of one tree and it was sitting on top of another branch on this tree, so it fell down as I chopped it off of here. But oh, these saws make such quick work of something that would have taken me hours to do before. And it's saving my arms so I can go do other chores now. So it's a really great tool to have.